Today, I want to teach you how to use quadratic roots to form quadratic equation. Now, that's why we have formation of a quadratic equation by the given roots. So let's just say, what is the root? What do we mean by root? Root means the value of x, okay? So you can see that if the first value of x is equal to, maybe I have alpha, and the second value of x means what? Beta. So it means that alpha and beta are the roots of what? The equation. So whenever you are given them, can you use them and produce the quadratic equation that gave us that alpha and beta? Yes, okay? So what are we going to do? I am going to first of all say that x is equal to alpha and another value of s is equal to what? Beta, okay? Now, we assume that what these are the values of what the roots. Now, what I'm going to do is what? To bring this thing to the other side by this crossing to this side, we are going to have minus alpha equal to what? 0. Nothing is here again because this has crossed to the other side. So when this cross to this side again, we are going to have alpha. So the second value of s is this. Crossing to the other side, we are going to have minus what? Beta equal to what? 0. Okay? Now, if this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0, it means that x minus alpha multiplying by what? X minus what? Beta is equal to 0 because the whole value is 0. Look at the whole value is what? 0. This is also 0. So 0 times 0 will still give me 0. Or this is 0, while this one is just a value. 0 times this value will give me 0. This can be 0 and this can be value. This times that 0 is what? 0. You can see any condition can satisfy the function here. So therefore, we have this because that is what we have. This is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So in that case, I can expand this bracket. This multiply this will give me what? This time this and this time this. This time this will give me what? S square. This time this will give me what? Minus beta x, okay? This times this is what? Minus alpha what? X. And this time this will give me what? Plus what? Alpha beta is equal to what? 0. So this is s square into, if you look at this, there is something common here. S is here, minus is here, minus is here. So I am going to bring out that minus, okay? So that minus can, and x, this minus s can factorize this middle. So this divide this, okay? This divide this will give us what? Beta, because this will cancel this will cancel this, we have this left. So this divide this will turn it to what? Plus, and this divide this will give me what? Alpha, okay? Now we now have what? Plus what? Alpha what? Beta is equal to 0. So I can also rearrange this thing as what? S square into minus. We are going to have bracket of what? Beta plus what? Alpha x, okay? Why am I putting it this? Because the value, let me say I have 2s square minus what? 5s. You can see after the coefficient, the number we have what? The x. So this will give me the number, okay? So we now have s here. So it's better, it's very good to put it here and here. So we have plus what? Alpha what? Beta is equal to what? 0. You can see this. This is what? The formula that can help us to be formulating what? All the quadratic equation, okay? For any given what? Roots. So take this formula down. We are going to answer a question. You see how it's being formulated. See you in that video.